Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7A and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera gridlines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner, and as you can see it gives us access to other buttons. For now we are interested in this from the right. This is the show gridlines button, so by tapping on this we can easily turn on and turn off gridlines like that. So this is how it works here, and as you can see it generates us these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that this is not visible at the picture, so when I take a photo and go to the preview here to the left corner, we can't see it, so these are only the help lines to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need it we go back to this button here and tap on this again. So for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.